Do you ever get stuck on what to create content about or even how to create the content? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best AI prompts you can use in ChatGPT to create your content faster and even to create better content. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is create captions for Instagram. But before I do that, if you're new here, hello, my name is Molly. I started as a college dropout with just 81 cents to my name. I grew my photography studio to multiple six figures per year. Other photographers started asking me how I did it. So I started an online education company for photographers selling digital products and courses, grew that to $2 million per year. And now I help other people to turn their knowledge into their own digital products and courses for consistent passive income. Okay, so the first prompt we're going to put into ChatGPT so that we can create our Instagram caption is write 3 Instagram captions promoting my free training, how to generate consistent passive income with your own online course. And so I want to explain to you why I'm doing this. So my strategy for Instagram is I film a bunch of reels and then I save them in the drafts folder. And then when I go to post them, I always make sure that my call to action is for them to comment a certain word. So that way they are going to get automatically DM'd a link to my free training. And I use ManyChat to do all these automations within Instagram. So if you're interested in learning that in an upcoming video, let me know in the comments below. But essentially what happens is someone sees my reel, they like it, they comment whatever word I've chosen. So normally the word I choose is class. If they comment the word class, it's going to automatically reply to their comment and automatically send them a DM. But I need to come up with different captions because maybe some people resonate with one caption, maybe some people resonate with another. So let's go ahead and click enter on this and see what captions it comes up with. Okay, so the first caption it came up with is unlock the secrets to generating consistent passive income with your own online course. Join my free training today and learn how to turn your expertise into a profitable digital business. Don't miss this opportunity, blah, blah, blah. So what I would probably change is the only thing I would need to add in is the call to action to comment the word class. I do think I could probably have ChatGPT do that. So I could say, write 3 Instagram captions promoting my free training, blah, 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 and have the call to action be comment the word class. But what I'm going to do in this scenario is say, comment the word class to unlock the secrets to generating blah, 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 blah. So that is how I use ChatGPT to generate my Instagram captions. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use ChatGPT for is to outline and prep for a podcast episode. So let's pretend I'm having a podcast guest on my podcast who took their YouTube channel from 0 to 1 million subscribers in 1 year. Then I would go ahead and put in the prompt, create 20 interview questions I can ask somebody who took their YouTube channel from 0 to 1 million subscribers in 1 year. Let's hit enter and watch the magic happen. So the very first question it came up with is, can you tell us about your journey from starting your YouTube channel to reaching 1 million subscribers in just 1 year? Fantastic question. What strategies did you implement to gain traction and grow your subscriber base rapidly? Great question. So this is so cool. And I would recommend having it come up with like 20 questions, 50 questions, even 100 questions. And then you can go through and pick out the questions that you want. It's just so cool because I would never be able to even come up with this many questions on my own. It's going to be able to spark ideas that I probably didn't even have and just really make the overall podcast just a much better episode with much more unique questions. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use ChatGPT for is to outline a YouTube episode. And before I paste the prompt in, I just want to let you know that I have loads of freebies in the description of this YouTube video below. Freebies on how to create and sell an ebook, how to grow your email list, how to create and sell an online course. I even have a free download of my favorite AI tools. So be sure to check that out. Hit the subscribe and notification bell for future videos as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my prompt in, create a triplet 3-part style video outline, say that 10 times fast, for my YouTube video about using ChatGPT to assist with your YouTube outlines. Okay, let's paste that in and see what it comes up with. Okay, so the title would be Enhancing Your YouTube Outlines with ChatGPT, which sounds like a pretty cool title. And the cool thing is you could copy that title and then put it into the prompt and say, hey, ChatGPT, come up with 10 alternative titles to this title. And then you can come up with more titles. Okay, so it says part 1, introduction and overview, part 2, using ChatGPT and YouTube outlines, part 3, case studies and example. So, and it's giving you bullets within each of these different parts. So it's giving you a 3-part video outline. How freaking cool is that? And just to show you the power of how to use this to come up with alternative titles, I'm going to say, come up with 5 alternative YouTube titles for the video title. There we go. And let's see what it comes up with. All right, boost your YouTube outlines with ChatGPT. That's a good one. Supercharge your YouTube outlines, unlocking the power of ChatGPT, transforming your YouTube outlines. So it's just really cool to use this to help assist you in coming up with, new ways of thinking about writing your outline or new ways of thinking about your title. Instead of just coming up with your title in your head, you can come up with one title, but then have ChatGPT assist you in alternative versions, which is probably going to spark that creativity and help you come up with overall a much better title. Okay, so now we're gonna use ChatGPT to actually create your YouTube description. So I'm not gonna create a new ChatGPT chat. I'm just going to stay in the same chat because it's already learned about what video are we creating, what's the outline, and more. So let's go ahead and paste this in. Create a 1 to 3 sentence YouTube video description for this video, and let's see what it comes up with. In this video, discover how ChatGPT, a powerful language model, can elevate your YouTube content, blah, blah, blah. So this sounds good, but I want there to be like more keywords so that I can hopefully rank the YouTube video within YouTube search engine. Okay, so let's try this prompt. Let's paste this in. Create a 1 to 3 sentence keyword heavy YouTube video description for this video. So I just added the words keyword heavy. That way I know that the description is gonna be filled with keywords that are gonna help the video rank. So maximize your YouTube content creation with ChatGPT. So it's already using those words. Learn how to use ChatGPT to enhance your YouTube outlines, improve efficiency, spark creativity, discover the power of language model. Yeah, I like the second description better. And it's so cool to me how I can say like, add in so that it's more keyword heavy, or make it so that it's 1 sentence, or make it so that it's 3 sentences. It's so cool how specific that you can get with ChatGPT. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to write a blog post using ChatGPT. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just going to ask it to turn the video that we've already been creating into a blog post. So let's try this prompt. Create an outline for turning this video into a blog post, because since we're in the same chat, it already knows what video we're working on. And so you can easily just say that without specifying what the video is. Okay, so it's really giving us a blog post outline. So the intro, the different bullet points to talk about, which is really cool. But I wanna also show you that it can actually just write the full blog post for you as well. But if you want to write it, then I think having it do an outline is great. And then you can just kind of fill it in from there. Or I'm gonna put in another prompt to show you that it will actually write the entire blog post for you. Okay, so let's try this prompt now. Write a fully complete blog post for the title, How to Optimize Your YouTube Outlines with ChatGPT, a game-changing AI tool. Okay, so now as you can see, ChatGPT is actually writing the entire blog post. And it's so cool how you just have to really think about what you exactly want and then tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. So the more literal and the more specific you are, the more likely you're going to get the exact thing that you want ChatGPT to create for you. Now that you know how to use ChatGPT to write better social media content, you might be wondering how else you can use AI to save yourself time and money. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be so much more powerful. See you in the next video.